Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Thursday, 12th of March. Alright, so we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. So as you know, previously there was actually a falling trend channel, and price has already broken below, and it broke below the FIBA expansion 161.8%, price of 4.0775, and it is now reaching the next support level at 1.0494 at the FIBA expansion level of 141.4%. Alright, in fact, as we were talking, it's about to touch, and moving forward, we are also expecting that it may just break below the current support level itself, all the way to 1.0185. FIBA expansion 161.8%. And if we take a look at the day one chart, or rather the weekly chart itself, that would be at the bottom of the falling trend channel in the weekly chart. So that will be the key level to look for the rebound. But of course, as the got support at this level, we are also waiting for a retracement in the smaller time frames, such as the 1 hourly chart and the 15-minute charts, to look for a short opportunity. Alright, so if we do see that it got supported, came up and got resisted by the 55 moving average, that could be a possible short as well for the intraday. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Price actually appreciated after the monetary policy has been released, or rather the rate statement for the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. So it appreciated, and right now it seems to be resisted by the resistance level at 0.7331. Alright, zooming into the smaller time frame. In the 1 hourly chart, we do see a magic candle over here, a reversal with confirmation with stochastic at overbought zone. But zooming into the 15-minute chart, it seems to be forming a lower high, a higher low and a higher high in the smaller time frame. Price might still appreciate a little bit further. Looking for the key resistance level, that would be at 0.7447, because if you plot the Fibonacci retracement over here, that is the retracement level of 61.8%. And looking at the bullishness this morning, price might still be able to appreciate further. Alright, so this is for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar, which has finally touched, and already has just broken below the support level at 1.4928, FIBA expansion level of 141.4%. We are expecting price to fall further to the next support level at 1.4854. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame. The 1 hourly chart, we do see that the 55 moving averages has been a strong resistance for this trend itself. So just wait for retracement. When it got resisted at the 55 moving average in the 1 hourly charts, look for a short opportunity. Alright, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. Next, we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Although unemployment rate was slightly better, down by 0.1%, but we didn't see any appreciation from there. In fact, price has already broken below a key support level 0.7587. FIBA expansion 161.8%, and therefore we are still expecting price to fall further, since it's already falling within a falling trend channel. Next key support level 0.7444. So let's zoom into the smaller time frame. Based on the 1 hourly chart itself, we do see that the 55 moving average has also been a great resistance, and maybe you can also at the same time plot a trend line itself. Right, so we do see that there's a trend line that's helping to resist the price and to allow it to fall further. So maybe when price touches the trend line itself, we can look for a short opportunity to this is the 15 minutes time frame. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. So as mentioned, price is appreciating within the rising trend channel. As it is about to touch the top, it came down, and right now we are seeing price is appreciating again, and it moving closer to the top of the rising trend channel. Key resistance level at 122.39, FIBA expansion level 141.4%. So if you look at the smaller time frame, the 15 minutes charts, right, we do see that it's already forming higher lows and higher high we are expecting price to appreciate further. Maybe for dollar against Japanese yen, we could just wait for price to reach the top of the channel itself and look for a reversal of a probable reversal for a short opportunity. And next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Ever since it broke below the deeper expansion level of 161.8%, price of 0.967, and of course it broke above the sentiment price of 1.0. Price has been appreciating, moving closer to the previous high at 1.0217. The previous high before the plunge itself, or rather the previous resistance before the plunge. So we are definitely expecting price to reach this level, and then from there we could wait for a major retracement to go for a short opportunity. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc, or if not, we will just wait for price to retrace. Just would like to touch on two other currency pair. First, we have the Aussie against the Japanese yen. In the 4-hourly charts, we saw that the price has been resisted persistently by the 200 moving average, and it starts and it begins to fall. This is the 4-hourly charts. If we zoom into the 1-hourly chart itself, there was actually a minor falling trend channel. So zooming into the 15-minute chart, we are waiting for price to appreciate and back to the resistance level of 92.48, and somewhere back to the top of the falling trend channel itself to look for a short opportunity. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against Japanese yen. And finally, we have the Aussie against New Zealand dollar, which fell and retraced all the way back to the retracement level of 61.8%, got supported with reversal candle. So this could be an opportunity to go for a long. Personally, I'll be waiting for price to come down again. If it got supported once again, then that would be an opportunity to go for a long trade. Alright, stochastic has also suggested oversold. Alright, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again.